Hey everybody, this is Ashley with Publish with Ashley, and I'm back with a great tip for you all. I said in my last video I was going to show you how to do this, do a 3D mock-up of your book. You can do that in Canva. If you check out the rest of my playlist on YouTube, there'll be some examples of that, of how to do that. But if you want to know another cool program I like to use, it's this DIYbookcovers.com/3D mockups. I'll put that in the show notes so that you have that. And what it is, it's really cool. So this is an example. I'll show you how to do this. It's really simple. You can pick any one of these to make a 3D mockup. So, it just depends what you want. I kind of like this one or this one. They both kind of show really well when you're doing, putting them on the page. So let's just pick this one right here. And then I'm going to hit next. And I'm going to browse. And I'm going to find this book cover I made right here. Don't be really impressed with this book cover. You just wait a second and then hit upload. I just did this super quick just to have an example. I just made this in Canva in like 2 minutes, so don't be real impressed with that cover. I'm not. But it's just to show you how this tool works. Okay, so it's up there, it's loaded. We hit next. And then you're going to go down here and a PNG or a JPEG. The PNG, remember, that will have a transparent background, so that's usually what I pick. So it's going to think about it. It is going to download it. And when it is all downloaded, I'm going to open it up, show you what it looks like. There we go. Doesn't that look awesome? And it was super quick. So I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit like if you like this tip. This is really great to make you look really professional and have kind of these great 3D mock-ups of your book, and you can see how super simple it is. So thanks for watching my channel. Remember, I'll have that web address in the show notes so that you can check out this awesome, great tool. All right, see you next time. Bye.